Alright parents, this video is going to show you how to log into Clever, which will allow you to gain access to your child's iReady and Lexia. First thing you want to do is go to the district website, and you also may want to think about using a Chrome browser because that's the directions I'm giving this to you on. So once you go to the district website, you're going to go to the students icon. You'll scroll down and then you're going to find the Clever link. You click on Clever. We're going to be using your child's Google account in order to log into Clever, so we click Login with Google. We're going to type your child's Google credentials in here, and your child's username is going to be the first letter, the first initial of their first name, and then their middle initial, and then it's going to be the last six or the first six letters of their last name, or if it's less than that, it is their full last name. And then you have the @ sign, and then mevsd.us, and that is their username. Now we're going to jump to the password. On the password, it is your child's first letter of their first name, their first letter of their last name, followed by their PIN number. If you don't know the PIN number, you'll have to ask your child. Maybe they'll know it. If they don't know it, then you're going to have to contact the school office and they will be able to provide it for you. So I'm going to type in this child's PIN number. And the very last thing is the letter M. You put the letter M on there. Once you have that, you're able to log in as your child, and then your child will have access to their account. So inside of here, you're going to see that they have lots of different things. Here's iReady and code. You can see that they have favorites at the top. You can add favorites at the top by clicking above them. So if we want to have Lexia be a favorite, we just click that, and it moves Lexia here to the top. So then once we're inside of here, we're able to click inside of iReady and into Lexia and look at different things in there. You have the directions for what to do when you're inside of those accounts. There you go. That's how you can access iReady and Lexia at home. Hope that helps.